Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on all so you can be up to date with my channel. The second book of Chronicles, chapter 3, verses 1 to 17:1. Then Solomon began to build the Lord's house at Jerusalem on Mount Moriah, where the Lord appeared to David his father, which he prepared in the place that David had appointed, on the threshing floor of Ornan the Jebusite. 2. He began to build in the 2nd day of the 2nd month, in the 4th year of his reign. 3. Now these are the foundations which Solomon laid for the building of God's house, the length by cubits asterisk. After the first measure was 60 cubits, and the width 20 cubits. 4. The porch that was in front, its length across the width of the house was 20 cubits, and the height 120. And he overlaid it within with pure gold. 5. He made the larger room with a ceiling of cypress wood, which he overlaid with fine gold, and ornamented it with palm trees and chains. 6. He decorated the house with precious stones for beauty. The gold was gold from Parvaim. 7. He also overlaid the house, the beams, the thresholds, its walls and its doors with gold, and engraved cherubim on the walls. 8. He made the most holy place. Its length, according to the width of the house, was 20 cubits, and its width 20 cubits. And he overlaid it with fine gold, amounting to 600 talents. 9. The weight of the nails was 50 shekels of gold. He overlaid the upper rooms with gold. 10. In the most holy place he made 2 cherubim by carving, and they overlaid them with gold. 11. The wings of the cherubim were 20 cubits long. The wing of the one was 5 cubits, reaching to the wall of the house. And the other wing was 5 cubits, reaching to the wing of the other cherub. 12. The wing of the other cherub was 5 cubits, reaching to the wall of the house. And the other wing was 5 cubits, joining to the wing of the other cherub. 13. The wings of these cherubim spread themselves out 20 cubits. They stood on their feet, and their faces were toward the house. 14. He made the veil of blue, purple, crimson, and fine linen, and ornamented it with cherubim. 15. Also he made before the house 2 pillars, 35 cubits high, and the capital that was on the top of each of them was 5 cubits. 16. He made chains in the inner sanctuary, and put them on the tops of the pillars. And he made 100 pomegranates, and put them on the chains. 17. He set up the pillars before the temple, one on the right hand and the other on the left, and called the name of that on the right hand Yakin, and the name of that on the left Boaz. Thank you so much for joining me watching and learning about the second book of Chronicles, chapter 3, verses 1 to 17. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up-and-coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.